Do it.
Yeah, thank you.
I just do it.
Yeah. Yo, what's up guys? Good morning. Today is a very special day. Birthday boy. Ayun, nasa likod. Happy birthday, Wop. Wish ko sana matupad mo din naman yung mga pangarap. Let's go. Just do it, bro. Yeah. Eto, bibili kami na, syempre, the favorite Jollibee delivery. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Just do it, man. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, let's go, man. Outfit check. Waiting on the bus, bro. Yeah. The cake. Damn. Very nice here. Woo, 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 woo. Let's go. Yo, what's up guys? Ito yung bus namin. Let's go. Yo. Hindi ko mabunot yung wallet ko. Resto card. Let's go. Ito. Oh no. Oh shoot. Okay. Use my card, bro. Riding the bus. Let's go, man. Okay, what's up, guys? Let's go. Touchdown. Thanks for the bus. Yes. Let's go. Saan na ba tayo? Anong lugar na to, man? Anong lugar na to? Fins? Dito na tayo. Alright. Let's go, man. Yo, what's up, guys? Let's go. Mga ka-doers, we're at the Hudson's Bay. Yo, dami dito mga foods, bro. LCBO, bilihan ng mga alcohol, bro. Let's go. Yo, Center Point. And we're going there. Right there. Damn. Oh, the favorites. Jollibee. Yeah, Filipino style, bro. Yeah. Let's go, man. Woo! Sunny day. Yo, touchdown, guys. Teleport tayo dito. Ito nga pala yung Conjing Queen. And then, Jollibee. Center Point. Hudson Bay. Yeah. Gonna take some orders, yo. Ooh, sorry. Let's go. Let's do this. Sana meron, sana open. Yes. So guys, ayun. Survey lang tayo. Comment down below kung yung favorite kung order dito sa Jollibee. So, alright. Just do it, bro.
I just do it.
Yeah. Ano pangalan mo?
Andrew po.
Andrew. Nice meeting you, bro. Brian. Brian.
Okay.
Ayos. Yeah. Guys. So, thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, solid. Chicken, burger. Happy birthday, Paul. Thanks. Ayo. Can I do a quick interview?
Hi.
Yeah. What's your name?
What are you doing?
I'm just taking video, you know. Can you any life advice?
What do you say?
Any life advice for everyone?
Oh.
You don't have? It's okay. Can you say just do it?
Do what?
Just do it.
Do it.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, I appreciate you. So guys, pauwi namin. Thank you for the safe ride. So ayun. We're gonna end this video right here. Yeah. So shoutout nga pala sa mga nagpapa-shoutout dyan. Andre Diego. Yo, Troll. Kamusta? God bless you and sa family mo. Just do it, bro. And Austin John Reyes, salamat sa suporta. Just do it. Ayun, shoutout sa inyo lahat dyan. Sana magbuti kayong lahat. Always remember, another day, another life, another blessing. So ayan, just do it guys. Thank you. See you on the next vlog. Bye bye.